All right, welcome everybody, welcome. Today, the borough of Deauville in the town of Sherbrooke. We're right by the lake. We're gonna be working around the lake. Some of the places I'll be showing you guys. We're gonna be on Chemin-Venise. We're gonna be a couple places along the lake there today. Not all of them, but a few of them. So I'll show you guys. Did this big thing here, just fix that up. Right here too. So you got an older place here, and then you got the new place next door. They don't do them that often here. That's a problem. They should do them more often here. I don't know why. They do it every 2 years, 2-3 years. They would be a lot nicer if they'd do them a lot more often, that's for sure. All right, we're just finishing this one up here. See, that one there looks really good because we do it, the neighbor has it done every year. That's why it's nice and thick. See, Brian's up there getting that all done. We don't touch that big crazy thing there. We've never done that. So you got a big apartment building here next door. This is an apartment building on the side of a lake. Very rare to see that. All right, off next one. All right, we just got our next one there. We're gonna show you. We're down by the lake again. We did 3 in between the last place where I'm showing you guys. See, the guys are down there, there, up there, going along. All right, I'll go bring the bill, then I'll jump in the boom van and I'll do that. That's Cedar Hedge right there. Building a new house here behind us on the side of the lake. Just gonna clean this up for them quick. Well, the sun's starting to come out. We're all done. You see down there, we did it with the van. Yeah. Got yourself a pickleball court. Beautiful stuff. They used to have, if you guys look back, I think the first year we did videos 2 years ago, they used to have a big ski ramp. Their son used to do a professional, I don't know, ski jumping or whatever it was. I guess they tore it all down, put a pickleball court. All right, let me get the truck set up here. Show you guys here. Usually we take the van and we go on the other side here, but the guy had his driveway all done up, so we can't use the bucket truck. Show you guys here. The guy's got himself a nice place on the side of the lake here. See, he's got an infinity pool. Beautiful infinity pool there. Got a nice trampoline down here. This lake here is called Lake Magog. Guest house, beautiful place. All right, we'll get this all done up here. We'll go do on the back side, over where the pickleball is. Get to work. I want to get it done. All right, we're gonna put the garbages back here. This is the neighbors. I'll grab my blower. I don't want them to forget my blower down here. I'll walk around and show you guys everything we got done here. see the little lawnmower down there. All right, that's looking good. And everything looks good out back. Beautiful place here. All right. So everything's done around the pickleball course. See, those are new hedges they put last year, so we just give them a light trim. Yeah. All right, it's all done all the way up. You see the truck way up at the other end there. I'll go down, show you guys. We're by the lake here. Nice little place here the guy has.
All done. Give you a little view from the top here. See, it's got that nice curve on it, so when the winter comes, all the snow rolls off it. It's still nice and flat and even on the top. Nice curve going up the hill. Pretty good. In the back too, looks pretty good. Nice, flat, even. It's what people want.
All right, we're just finishing up here. We're at a shop here. They build the gazebos and little garages and sheds and all kinds of stuff. I'll walk around here and show you guys. We're right on a busy place here. So I'll walk around and show you guys the hedge. At the same time, I'll show you some of the cabins. They build a, see, those are just fronts to show you what you can get. All those over there too. They do stuff like this. They can do anything. Very good place here. They do all kinds of stuff. We do like the owner's house here. See all that? That's all wood back there that's piled up to build their things. See, everything looks good. See, they had one time they had a pool here. Nice jobs to do. especially when the weather's nice. Hasn't rained all week. Pick up an extension. Hasn't rained all week. So we got the vans in on a couple places before we were here. I didn't show you guys on the land there. Makes it a lot easier, a lot easier. All right. You see these hedges here? You see in the wind how they're moving? So we can't put no ladder on that. You can see right there, you see with the wind how that's moving back and forth. If you put a ladder on there, you go right through it. That's why Brian is using a step ladder with the big angle up there. Coming out good. All right, so that's what it comes out to. All right, I'll go show you guys on the other side how it came out. I'm just gonna put my machine, I'll just put it right here on the ground. The guys will pick it up. All right, Frank's checking. There must be, there's a branch to be tied or something. Looking good, looking good. All right, you guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.